Did you know that what you drink can drastically lower bad cholesterol levels? Imagine sipping on something that transforms your body into a healthy machine. If you could powerfully reduce bad cholesterol with something as simple as a cup of tea, how would your life change? In this video, we'll explore 14 different teas that can help lower your cholesterol naturally and improve your heart health. Pay attention to the 7th tea on our list. It has something that all the others don't. And what I'm going to reveal to you about it is surprising. First tea, green tea. Green tea is a champion when it comes to heart health. Packed with catechins, which are powerful antioxidants, it helps reduce LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol. Drinking green tea regularly can lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. The catechins in green tea also help control blood pressure and improve blood vessel health. Start your day with a warm cup of green tea, knowing you're giving a significant boost to your heart and overall health. With centuries of proven benefits in China and Japan, green tea is an excellent choice for maintaining healthy circulation and reducing heart disease risk. Preparation: place 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves in a cup. Pour hot, not boiling water, and steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Strain and enjoy. Second tea, hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is refreshing and great for the heart. It can help reduce blood pressure and cholesterol, making it a natural choice for improving cardiovascular health. Made from dried hibiscus flowers, this tea is rich in vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and improves skin health. A glass of chilled hibiscus tea is not only delicious, but also a fantastic way to care for your heart. By adding hibiscus tea to your routine, you're investing in your health in a delicious and effective way. Preparation: place 1 tablespoon of dried hibiscus flowers in a pot with 1 liter of water. Boil for 10 minutes, strain, and let cool. Can be served hot or cold. Third tea, ginger tea. Ginger tea is excellent for heart health due to its anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation. Ginger contains gingerols, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help lower cholesterol and improve cardiovascular health. Adding ginger tea to your routine can not only aid with cholesterol, but also relieve nausea and improve digestion. Enjoy ginger tea for a healthy heart and overall well-being. Preparation: slice a small piece of fresh ginger and place it in a pot with 1 liter of water. Boil for 10 minutes, strain, and serve hot. Fourth tea, peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is refreshing and can help keep cholesterol in check. It improves digestion and metabolic health, indirectly supporting healthy cholesterol levels. The menthol in peppermint tea helps relax and relieve headaches. Drinking peppermint tea after meals not only aids digestion, but also takes an extra step toward a healthy heart. Transform your post-meal moments into a benefit for your cardiovascular health. Preparation: place a handful of fresh peppermint leaves in a cup. Pour hot water and steep for 5 minutes. Strain and enjoy. Fifth tea, oolong tea. Oolong tea is great for those looking to help control cholesterol and burn fat. This semi-fermented tea combines the best aspects of green and black teas, offering unique benefits. The partial fermentation process of oolong tea gives it a special flavor and unique health benefits. Drinking oolong tea regularly can help lower LDL cholesterol and improve heart health. Try this tea and see how it helps keep your cholesterol in check and promote heart health. Preparation: place 1 teaspoon of oolong tea leaves in a cup. Pour hot water and steep for 4 or 5 minutes. Sixth tea, black tea. Black tea can help reduce cholesterol absorption in the gut. It is rich in compounds that can improve cholesterol levels and benefit heart health. Black tea has a stronger flavor and darker color due to the fermentation of the leaves. Drinking black tea regularly can help reduce LDL cholesterol and improve arterial function. A daily cup of black tea can be a delicious way to support heart health and control cholesterol. Preparation: place 1 teaspoon of black tea leaves in a cup. Pour hot water and steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Strain and savor. You have 6 powerful teas to reduce your cholesterol at your fingertips, and I believe this is the perfect moment for you to show your support by giving a like and subscribing to this channel. To help you even more, before revealing the unique feature of the 7th tea, I need to let you know that in the first pinned comment, I've left a link to an exclusive material that will help you reduce your cholesterol quickly, powerfully, and naturally. Click the link in the pinned comment to discover the best method for your heart health. 7th tea, rooibos tea. Rooibos tea is an excellent choice that can help improve heart health. It comes from South Africa and is packed with antioxidants that help reduce cholesterol. The big revelation behind this tea is that it contains no caffeine, making it perfect for the evening. It is also rich in minerals such as calcium and iron, which are good for your bones and overall health. Enjoy a cup of rooibos tea at night and benefit from its cholesterol-lowering properties and tranquility before sleep. Preparation: place 1 teaspoon of rooibos leaves in a cup. Pour hot water and steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain and savor. 8th tea, turmeric tea. Turmeric tea is known for its benefits due to curcumin, a compound that helps reduce cholesterol and inflammation. Turmeric has long been used in traditional medicine for its healing properties. Turmeric tea can help lower LDL cholesterol and protect the heart. Making a cup of turmeric tea is a tasty way to incorporate this powerful ingredient into your diet and promote better cardiovascular health. Preparation: mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with a cup of hot water, steep for 5 minutes, and strain. For added flavor, add honey or lemon. 9th tea, dandelion tea. Dandelion tea is great for supporting liver health, which helps in managing cholesterol levels. Dandelion can be consumed in its leaves, flowers, and roots. Dandelion tea is rich in antioxidants and nutrients that help detoxify the body and support liver function. Drink dandelion tea to support liver health and manage cholesterol naturally. Preparation: place 1 tablespoon of dried dandelion root in a cup and add boiling water. Steep for 10 minutes. 10th tea, lemon balm tea. Lemon balm tea is known for helping reduce stress, which is beneficial for the heart. Less stress can mean better cholesterol levels and improved cardiovascular health. Lemon balm, or melissa, is used to relieve anxiety and promote relaxation. Lemon balm tea can help reduce stress and improve heart health. Enjoy lemon balm tea to create moments of calm and support cardiovascular health. Preparation: place a handful of fresh lemon balm leaves in a cup. Pour hot water and steep for 5 minutes. Strain and enjoy. 11th tea, chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is relaxing and helps promote good sleep. Reducing stress and getting good sleep are important for maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. Chamomile is known for its calming properties and has been used for centuries to improve sleep. Drinking chamomile tea before bed can help relax and support cholesterol management. Use chamomile tea to promote well-being and heart health. Preparation: place 1 to 2 chamomile tea bags in a cup. Pour hot water and steep for 5 minutes. Strain and enjoy before bed. 12th tea, burdock root tea. Burdock root tea is known for its detoxifying properties that can help control cholesterol. Burdock root has been used in traditional medicine for its detoxifying and liver-supporting qualities. Burdock root tea can help regulate cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Drink burdock root tea to support detoxification and cardiovascular health. Preparation: place 1 tablespoon of dried burdock root in a cup. Add boiling water and steep for 10 minutes. 13th tea, hawthorn tea. Hawthorn tea is traditionally used for heart health and can help manage cholesterol levels. Hawthorn is a plant long used in medicine for treating heart issues. Hawthorn tea can improve heart health and help regulate cholesterol. Incorporate hawthorn tea into your routine to support cardiovascular health and cholesterol management. Preparation: place 1 tablespoon of dried hawthorn flowers in a cup. Pour hot water and steep for 10 minutes. 14th tea, licorice root tea. Licorice root tea is used for its anti-inflammatory and heart-healthy properties. Licorice root has been used in traditional medicine to treat various conditions. Licorice root tea can help reduce inflammation and improve cardiovascular health. Enjoy licorice root tea for its benefits to heart health and cholesterol management. Preparation: Place 1 teaspoon of dried licorice root in a cup. Pour hot water and steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain and enjoy. Not only are teas powerful for lowering bad cholesterol, but so are foods. Knowing which foods are good for reducing cholesterol is key to great health. That's why I made a video on the 7 surprising foods that lower bad cholesterol naturally. Click the video on the screen to watch now for a healthier life. Until then, take care and keep your health on track.